Welcome to ViNext Email Collect, the easiest way to grow your email list and boost sales with engaging pop-ups and spin-to-win wheels. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up your email and wheel templates, connect them to your theme, and track your campaign performance. To begin, install the app from the Shopify App Store. Once installed, you can pin the app to your sidebar so it's easier to find later. After opening the app, you'll land on the dashboard. Here you'll see quick links to each feature, setup guidance, and useful stats to help you monitor performance. Go to ViNext Email Collect, then open the Templates tab. Click Add Template, choose whether you want to create an email pop-up or a lucky wheel. Each pop-up has two statuses: before subscribing or spinning, and after. Both share some common settings, but also have their own customization options. To start customizing, you'll first configure the general settings. This is where you control how, when, and where your pop-up appears. Next, choose a layout. Both statuses, before and after subscribing, share the same layout structure. Then move to the Style tab to control how the pop-up looks in both statuses. It's best to start with the global styling first. Then hover over each section or component, like body, header, social section, subscribe button or discount box, close widget, and open widget, and click to edit its individual settings. Creating and styling a wheel pop-up works in the same way. The only difference is that it includes reward segments. You can add, remove, or edit each one, set its label, color, discount, and weight to control the chance of landing on it. In the Style tab, you can also add spin effects, apply preset color combinations, adjust the pointer and open widget positions, and customize the look just like with the email pop-up. Once everything looks good, save and preview both statuses. That's it! Your pop-up is ready to collect emails and reward your customers. Next, let's set up your email notifications. Right after you create a pop-up, click the button above to edit the email content for that pop-up type. No matter how many pop-ups you have, the email is global. One email template for all email pop-ups, and one for the wheel. These emails are sent automatically when customers subscribe or win a discount. For example, when someone spins the lucky wheel and gets a reward, the app sends them an email with their discount details. You can customize everything: the subject line, message content, and even add your store branding or extra text. To edit, simply hover over any area, click the plus icon to add a new element, or click an existing one to edit it directly. When you're done, you can send a test email to check the result, then save your settings. The customization process is the same for both email types. After creating your templates, you'll need to add the pop-up to your theme so it appears on your storefront. There are two ways to do this. Option 1. Do it directly inside the app. Just click the button here, and it'll take you to the correct place automatically. Option 2. From your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, Themes, click Customize on your current theme, open App Embeds on the left panel, and toggle ViNext Email Collect on. Once enabled, your pop-up will appear according to the display rules you set earlier. Preview your store to make sure it shows and functions as expected. Now let's see how it looks for your customers. When visitors come to your store, the pop-up will appear based on the triggers you set. For example, after a few seconds, when scrolling, or on exit intent, they can enter their email to subscribe or spin the wheel for a chance to win a reward. If they win, the discount code will appear right away, and they'll also receive it via email. Finally, go to the Subscribers or Reports tab to view your results. In Subscribers, you'll see all collected emails along with subscription time, pop-up source, etc. You can export this list for your marketing campaigns. In Reports, track performance, like views, subscriptions, and conversion rates, to see how your pop-ups are performing. Use these insights to fine-tune your templates and improve future campaigns.